Welcome! If you've ever wanted to take a quick break from Messenger without appearing online, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable your active status on Messenger for just 1 hour. Whether you need some uninterrupted time or just want a little privacy, these simple steps will help you stay offline temporarily, without missing out on your messages later. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Messenger app. You'll see your recent chats right away. Look towards the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. This usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, or your profile picture, depending on your app version. Once you're in the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to a list of options where you can adjust your Messenger preferences. Now find and select the option labeled Active Status. This is the setting that controls whether your friends can see when you're online or recently active. You'll notice a switch or toggle next to Show when you're active. Go ahead and turn this switch off. As soon as you do, Messenger will ask how long you'd like to pause your active status. Here's where you can choose the exact amount of time you want to stay offline. Select 1 hour from the list of options. Then, confirm by tapping Pause. And that's it. For the next hour, your friends won't see you as active on Messenger. You'll still receive all your messages, but you can enjoy some peace and quiet without the pressure of appearing online. After 1 hour, your active status will automatically turn back on, and you'll be visible again. If you ever want to repeat this process, just follow these same steps. It's a quick and easy way to control your privacy and take a break whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. See you next time.